Hello and welcome to Saros's classes. Today we are going to solve two questions from quantitative aptitude. We all know that quantitative aptitude is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is most uh, easiest one also, as it do not have any conceptual complexity in it. Rather than it requires only your computational skills and numerical skills. Okay, so let's get into it. What should come in place of the question mark in the following questions? So let's start with the first one. Minus 251 multiplied by 21 multiplied by minus 12 divided by unknown number is equals to 158.13. Okay. The multiplication results in 63,252 divided by unknown number is equals to 158.13. Therefore, the unknown number is 63,252 divided by 158.13, which results in 400. Okay, so the answer of the first question is the option 2, 400. Now let's check the next one. 25.6 percentage of 250 plus root over unknown number is equals to 119. Okay, we know the BODMAS rule. BODMAS. Here B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and lastly S for subtraction. That means in any problem we prefer prefer the operations according the downward order. That means first of all we uh, we do the bracket, after that off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and lastly subtraction. Here 25.6% means 25.6 divided by 100 of 250 plus root over unknown number is equals to 119. Now 25.6 divided by 100 multiplied by 250 plus root over question mark is equals to 119. That means 64 plus root over a question mark is equals to 119. Hence root over question mark is equals to 55. Therefore the value of the unknown number is 55 square, which results in 3025. Okay. Therefore here also the option 2 is the correct option. Okay. So we have solved the two questions, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about quantitative aptitude, then you can drop a message in WhatsApp in these two numbers, that is 9836793076 or 9874822756, and you also can check our website for further details. Thank you very much.